I can do animal noises. Let's get started. Cat. Lamb. Guard dog. Random, probably extinct or not even an animal. Could some people tell me like what animal that is in the comments? Oh wait, you can't go in the comments. I don't know, just like just say yes or no, and I'll definitely hear you. Just say it, don't comment it or anything, or like, well, I do have Instagram, but like I don't bother anyone like going on my Instagram and like commenting. So just say it and I'll definitely hear you because God will just let me. So bye.